Okay, see the phloem, which is concerned with the transport of organic substance composed of sieve elements, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. See, ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഫ്ലോയത്തിന്റെ വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പാർട്ട് എന്ന് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. Now, sieve tubes എന്താണ്? Formed by elongated sieve tube members. Cross walls have number of perforations. Mature sieve tube has peripheral cytoplasm. Functions are controlled by nucleus of companion cells. Members are characteristically present in angiosperms. Okay, ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ sieve tubesന്റെ perforation വരുന്ന area. Sieve cells, sieve area are found to occur throughout the end wall and lateral wall. Cells are living but lack nucleus, found in lower vascular plants. ഇതാണ് sieve plate, sieve tube cells ന്റെ ചിത്രം. Then എന്താണ് companion cell? Found in association with the sieve tube members. Sieve tube elements and companion cells are connected by pit fields, help in maintaining the pressure gradient. ഇതാണ് sieve plate ന്റെ picture. Phloem parenchyma function എന്താണ്? Cells are elongated and cylindrical, have dense cytoplasm and prominent nucleus, stored food materials and other substance, absent in monocot plants. Okay. Phloem fibers found along with the other elements of phloem, elongated and thick-walled cells, dead at maturity, absent in primary phloem. First formed primary phloem is known as protophlloem. Later formed is known as metaphlloem. Elements formed by fascicular cambium constitute secondary phloem. Okay, ഇത്രയാണ് നമുക്ക് പറയാനുള്ള ഫ്ലോയത്തിന്റെ സ്ട്രക്ചർ. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ സൈലവും ഫ്ലോയും ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. താങ്ക് യു.